Today is a good day and it's already a great year because I have the brand new Samsung S23 smartphone. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped it. It's such an expensive phone, I have to make sure I protect it properly. Introducing the Tongate Mac Samsung S23 kickstand case. So let me introduce you to the Tongate Mac Samsung S23 kickstand case. So straight out of the box, you have the beautiful Mac case, complete with a kickstand. But we'll get into that a little bit later. You have some wipes, looks like some guide stickers and dust absorber, and this must be the screen protector. My phone is ready clean. Let's go ahead and put it on the screen protector. Make sure you line it up. Okay, that looks like a great fit right there. See how this conforms to the shape? Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that. Now I'm ready to install the case, line it up. It should pop in real easy. Look at that. Went on smoothly. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case in detail. You see the raised edges 300 degrees all around. Raised edges protect the phone. Alright, so there's no edges that's unprotected. And look at how centered the charge port and the speaker volume are. Speaker ports, okay? Centered right there. And then you have the volume up, volume down, along with the power button. And also the mic port is centered right on top. Now look at the back. Yes, this is a rear camera lens protector or cover, okay? So whenever you store it in your pocket, cover up protected lens. All right, now let's take a look at the kickstand. Look at that. So you can have it like this. You can watch your favorite videos, or even do like a video chat with the portrait mode, or you can do it landscape mode. Acts as like a mini tripod kickstand. You can watch your favorite movies, or even do like live streaming or such. Okay, very easy to use. So the whole case, it's made of hard PC with soft CPU parts on the interior, and it even features a 10-foot mill-grade drop protection. And also featuring shock absorbent bumpers on all four corners for 360 degrees protection. And of course, taking the case off is a breeze. So if you are looking to protect your brand new Samsung S23 smartphone in style and with the peace of mind that if you ever accidentally drop it, it will be well protected, definitely give the Tongate Mac kickstand case a look.